Last night's storms caused several issues here in Collin County. The first one I want to show you is where we are right now. We are in a brand new subdivision in McKinney. We are right off of Klingsman's Way, where fire crews believe that a lightning strike sparked the fire that sent this home right here ablaze. Now that the sun is starting to rise, we're getting a better look at some of the damage here. You can notice that the top of the house is where most of that damage is concentrated. The roof is gone. You can see the heavy charring around the upper level. Here's a look at that fire overnight. Crews worked fast to put out the flames. This neighborhood is still under development. A lot of homes are still under construction or newly sold. McKinney Fire tells us this home was occupied. The homeowner was inside when the fire started. Thankfully, they got out safely and no one was hurt. Now to our west, a different kind of storm impact. High water in downtown Frisco forced road closures overnight. This area is in the middle of a massive transformation, a $70 million overhaul meant to modernize downtown ahead of the World Cup. But the ongoing construction appears to be creating new problems. So this is on Main Street there downtown. This is the same stretch that has flooded multiple times just this week alone, according to the city. So across Collin County and really across North Texas, folks are waking up this morning, checking to see what type of impacts last night's storms had on them. So I want to get it over to our Natalie Haddad, who's in Fannin County, where folks there are waking up to some damage as well.